Okay, whatever. Right. Ugh. Hey guys, it's Mac and Jack. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new, we upload DIY and sewing tutorials every single week. This week, I wanted to do a Valentine's theme video, and I love themed videos. I usually do one for every holiday. So this week, I'm going to show you guys how to make this adorable hanging sign, and everything on here is from Dollar Tree. Even the glue that I use is from the Dollar Tree as well. So this is a really cheap and fun project. It only takes a few minutes, and I really like this because of the fur on it. As you guys know, I am obsessed with the Dollar Tree. I go there at least once a week, so I'm always thinking of new video ideas, and this is why I wanted to do a Valentine's video, because they had the cutest decorations, and I did buy a lot for my house, but I wanted to make one that was unique too. So this in total probably cost about $4 or $5. So you only need a few things, and it depends on your Dollar Tree, but you can get creative with it and put whatever you want on it. Make it your own, be unique. Like, this is just a guide to show you. It's just to give you inspiration. I don't know about you guys, but I love Valentine's Day, and I just love all holidays. As you guys know from watching my videos, if you've seen them, you know that I upload one for almost every holiday. And Valentine's Day is not an exception. So let's go ahead and get started with this really easy tutorial.